Shalom, shalom, Shanipo. In this session, we shall look at the words which start with the letter B or V, which is the second letter of the Hebrew alphabet, Vet or Bet. Behema. Behema means beast or animal. In many Bantu languages, it refers to an animal or meat and is pronounced as nyama. Bata. Bata means to cling, to grab a hold of someone or something that is secure and safe. And in Ichibemba, ukupata refers to something clinging, especially clothing. Bain. Bain refers to between, in the time, space, or interval that separates. Pene has a similar meaning in Ichibemba when you say Palia pene. Bait. Bait refers to a house in Hebrew. This is a structure or the family as a household that resides within a house. Ukati refers mainly to the main bedroom in Ichibemba. Behor. Behor refers to a firstborn, the firstborn offspring, usually a son or animal, the prominent one. Ibeli in Ichibemba means the firstborn. Say belly. Bala. Bala means to swallow, to pass through the mouth and move into the esophagus to the stomach. Mala refers to the gut in Ichibemba. Bama. Bama refers to a platform, a place higher than surrounding area. In Ichibemba, when people stand up higher than others, you say Baima. Bana. Bana means to build, to construct a building or home. A family with sons. Abana refers to children in Ichibemba. Baal. Baal is a Hebrew word for master, having chief authority. In many Bantu languages, a prefix, ba, is added in front of the name as a way of respect. Baka. Baka means to cleave in Hebrew, to divide, to separate into distinct parts, to break, cut, or divide something in half. A similar word in Ichibemba, upaka, means evenly distribute or fill up. Bokar. Bokar in Hebrew means morning, the time from sunrise to noon, the breaking of the day. To wake up in Ichibemba is the verb uka. Bara. Bara in Hebrew means to fatten, to make more substantial, fleshy, or plump, to fill up. The filling of the earth in Genesis 1 with the sun, moon, plants, and animals. The filling of man with breath and the image of God. Paala in Ichibemba means to bless abundantly. Barak. Barak means to flee away, to run away from in Hebrew. Balaka in Ichibemba means people have differed and gone different ways, or to have a disagreement, or to quarrel. Baashal. Baashal in Hebrew means to boil, to cook meat in water, or to ripen. The Bemba meaning for pisha, ukupisha, is to ripen or cook something very well. Aish. Aish means fire in Hebrew, and to light up a fire in Ichibemba is to asha. The next word is arar. Arar means to spit upon, to eject saliva, usually on another in spite or disrespect. And in Ichibemba, if you annoy someone, they'll say, Allah, but they might not necessarily spit unless they're really, really annoyed with you. In the next session, we will be looking at the similar Bantu and Hebrew words under the Hebrew letter Gimel, which sounds like G. Shalom, shalom, shalom po.